In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a new school record. First, go to the BIMAS login page, enter your username and password, and click Login. This will take you to the BIMAS homepage. In order to create a new school record, under the Site Management section, I click Schools. Because I have created school records before and I have been given district-level access, I will see a list of all the schools in my district. However, when you're entering your own school's information, you will only be able to see your school's information. In order to create a new school, I select Create New School, or, using the drop-down menu under Site Management, I click Schools, and then Create New School. You will be taken to the Create New School page. Enter the name of the school, the number of semesters in the school year, the number of universal assessments each student in your school is given per year, and the start and end date of the school year. A case manager is the person who is responsible for overseeing all RTI cases in the school, for example, the school psychologist or the principal. You must first create a new user by going to the Site Management drop-down menu, selecting Users, and then selecting Create New User. However, you can finish creating your school's record and edit the case manager information after you have added all of the individual user records. More information about this process will be discussed in a separate video. Under the Semester List section, I enter the name of each semester and click Add. After I've finished entering all of the semester information, under the Teacher and Instructor List section, I enter the name of every teacher or group instructor at the school who will be completing BIMAS teacher forms. I click Add after entering each teacher's name. If a school psychologist or counselor will be running groups at your school, you can also add their information here. When I have finished entering each teacher's information, I click Save and Proceed. A green confirmation message will appear confirming that I have successfully created a school record. It will also provide me with information about how to edit future school information, add another school, or create classes for the school I have just created. I click OK. I will be returned to the Setup and Manage Schools page. If I wish to edit information about my elementary school, I click Edit by the school's name. For example, if I realize I've forgotten a teacher's name, I can add them to the list now. And click Add. When I am done editing the school's information, I click Save and Proceed. Another confirmation message will appear letting me know that the changes I have made have been saved. I click OK. And I will be returned to the Setup and Manage Schools page once again.